Viewers, welcome to Murads Kitchen. This is halloumi, and this is a fresh halloumi. They come from Greece. Is really yummy and delicious to make a burger or grill them. Dear viewers, welcome to Murads Kitchen. Now I'm going to show you how to make a halloumi burger. First of all, we're going to put a little bit of butter in the pan. We put our bun. Now I'm going to put my halloumi. I'm going to grill them. Tiny bit of butter. My buns are toasted very nicely. We got to make sure the halloumi is soft in the middle, because if they are not soft, then it's going to get hard. And when they are soft and tender, they're yummy and delicious. Viewers, we make a little bit of sauce. Is 2 spoons of yogurt, 1 spoon of hummus, and then we mix them two together. That's make my beautiful sauce. So basically, this is yogurt and hummus. That's my beautiful halloumi. Now we're going to put our tomatoes. Viewers, that's my beautiful halloumi burger. Look at that, how beautiful and cute that looks. Wow, delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit. Halloumi burger. Yum, yum.